Well, Brian, the nursing home behind me is one that county health officials identified as having the highest number of COVID-19 cases in Mecklenburg County. Now the government is issuing new rules to help try and slow the spread. In North Carolina, there are more than 11,000 confirmed cases at nursing homes and residential care facilities, with nearly 1,300 deaths. The numbers aren't surprising to Dr. Dennis Taylor, president of the North Carolina Nurses Association.
Many of them have memory loss, various forms of dementia. I think in a lot of cases it's very difficult for them to remember to follow those three important guidelines of wearing a mask, doing the social distancing, frequent hand washing.
In Charlotte, the Mecklenburg Health and Rehab Center has been hit the hardest, with around 100 cases of the coronavirus. 10 patients have died. We asked Administrator Cassandra Doherty why the cases are so high, what they are doing to reduce the spread, and about an unrelated lawsuit against the facility over patient care issues. In a statement, Doherty tells Fox 46, "Based upon your approach, it's obvious you do not have good intentions with your story. Therefore, we choose not to participate in your story."
A lot of these long-term care facilities don't have some of the same screening rules that some of our healthcare facilities may. So those folks who are coming in from the outside may not necessarily be screened as thoroughly as what some folks are who may be coming to an acute care hospital.
In South Carolina, Governor McMaster wants to resume family visitations at nursing homes and assisted living facilities, as the number of reported cases within those facilities tops 7,000, with more than 1,000 deaths. This week, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services announced new guidelines saying nursing homes are particularly vulnerable to spreading the virus. It's now required that all residents and staff be tested for COVID-19 and retested every 3 to 7 days. Back live, the facility here faces an unrelated civil lawsuit stemming from an investigation that we did last year. Federal officials fined the facility and found they provided poor patient care to at least 2 residents. Now we're going to hear from one of those families and what they have to say about the high number of cases coming up all new at 6. Live in Mecklenburg County, Matt Grant, Fox 46, getting results.